It's Margarita, and we are taking it to the house of Hermes with their newest release, Tutti Twilly Dhermes. Now, there are lots of flankers to the original Twilly de Hermes, and I have tried them all and I have liked none. So I was really interested to try the newest one because it's supposed to be a tropical and fruity interpretation of the original and its flankers. So I went to Macy's because I've spent a lot of time there, and they have a wonderful fragrance department. And I got this. The box is so cute. It's very pink, very tropical, very Miami and beachy, if you will. And the bottle is really cute too. It's pink. I love pink, and I like the hat and the little twilly that's on it. This is so adorable. I think it will look very nice on a display. However, when I smelled it, I actually did a wear test on this earlier to give you all a full review on this. It didn't work out for me, and here's why. The three notes listed are lychee, ginger, and musk. So lychee doesn't like me. It goes very sour on me. So if you are someone who has a finicky body chemistry, lychee probably won't be the note for you. And that is what stands out the most. In fact, on me, this smells just like soapy armpits. Yes, like someone tried to cover up not having showered or putting on deodorant, like spraying fragrance on top of funk. That is what this smells like on me. This was an instant scrubber, but it lasts. So it's definitely got some staying power. I'm looking for the concentration here. This is the eau de parfum, so it is a better quality than a toilet or a cologne. And when hubby tried this, he said it smells like cough syrup, cherry cough syrup or something like that. And he was like, and not the good kind. So this was a 2 thumbs down from both him and from me. I'm not sure if this works for you. If you like Delina by Parfums de Marly, you might like that. That's got a lychee note. There's another fragrance, Dirty Likey, that may work for you. I actually had to declutter that one. Basically, if sour fragrances work for you, you may like that, but they don't work for me. And yeah, that's going to have to go back, sadly. I really wanted to like it. I don't own a single Hermes fragrance. I have yet to smell anything from the house of Hermes that smells good on me. I'm not sure. If you know of any good gourmand Hermes fragrances, let me know in the comments because I am really interested to have something from that house because I love their handbags and their jewelry and their scarves and everything else. Just their fragrances don't seem to resonate with me or my body chemistry. But anywho, I digress. But let me know in the comments what you think. Also, if you're ready to unleash your inner superstar through fitness, voice, performance, femininity, and relationships, visit my website, completepackagecoaching.com, and book a one-on-one session with me now. I can't wait to work with you. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.